Alright, so if you ever heard of Steve Jobs, you know that fonts and typography is important to the look and design of a product. And we want to make, cool, awesome looking sites. So I'm going to teach you how to bring in any font that you want to. So over here, you can tell that this top section is a different font, or this H1 here is a different font than the paragraph. And so what we're going to do is we're going to change this font here as well. So I have this font called Arvo. And this is one cool thing that Google gives us, well, one of many, is their Google Fonts section. So we have Arvo here. We're going to scroll to the bottom. And by the way, before I do that, Google gives us a bunch. So you could go to Google Fonts for whatever project you're working on and look at all the different types of font that they have here. So let's just go ahead and show you. So I'm going to find Arvo here. You click on it. And we want to use just the normal. So go there and let's say use. It's going to take you to this page. So you have normal 400 right here. And it's going to show you how to bring it into your document. So I'm going to link to it up here. I'm sorry, we're going to copy that link there. And we're going to go over to the index, and you want to put it above your CSS document since we're going to refer to it in the CSS document. So I'm going to say this is our Google Arvo font. Remember, this is a comment. And I'm going to paste that there. Save that. Okay, now we go back to Google. We added this code to our website, and now we want to integrate the fonts into our CSS. So copy this. And we want it to be for the H1 tag in this div up here with the class of Jumbotron. So .jumbotron, H1 tag, font family Arvo. I'm also going to put Courier New in here. Or actually, we'll do Courier. And boom. And now we should be able to go over to the site. And yes, you see a different font here. Alright, so this is different. You can also see from the site that this is different as well, and I know that these are the same fonts here, so we're going to edit this top section here. So inspect element, and I want to do this whole unordered list because if we add a link, we want it to have that same font. So this unordered list with a class of nav. So to do that, let's say unordered list, class of nav, oops, sorry, copy it, paste it, save it, reload the page, and now you have that font up there. So this is saying unordered list with a class of nav, font family Arvo. If that doesn't load correctly, go to Courier. If that doesn't work, go to Serif. Alright, now just to show you, you can combine CSS rules. So since this is just font family here, and we know that they're going to have the same font type here, what we can do is we could just do this. Just go boom. And so this is how you combine selectors. So this is a selector, all unordered list with a class of nav, and this selector, all H1s and any div with a class of Jumbotron, or any HTML element with a class of Jumbotron, gets this CSS rule right here. So we should see them stay the same here, and we're good. Alright, so now you know how to bring in custom fonts into your site, and next we'll move on to continue building this top section here.